Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about demand and supply. So now I will show you the answer. We know that this one is about demand. So here is about the formula of demand in here. Question number 1. I find the price of a demand of 0 units, 8 units. So about 0 units, we have B is equal to 16 minus 5 over 4 multiply with number 0 from the given number in here. You got about 16. The next one, 8 units. We have B is equal to 16 minus 5 over 4 multiply with number 8. And this one, you got about number 6. So this is about $16 and $6. Question number 2. Find the demand for the shampoo at a price of 6, 11, 16. So we have P, we change for number 6. So we put number 16 on the left and we divide both sides with negative 5 over 4. So that should be like this. And you will got about 8 units. Similar for 11, I just change about number 6 into 11 in here. And you got about number 4 units. Now I change for number 16. And you will got about 0 units. And that's it, the answer for question number 2. Now let's go to question number 3. We need to wrap about this one. So this is about P is about the price. This one is about Q. That's about the quantities. So number 16 when Q equal to number 0. So we put number 16 in here. When Q is equal to number 0. Now when P is equal to number 0, that's about number 16 in here. So when P is equal to number 0, we put number 0 in here and we move number 16 on the left and we divide both sides with negative number 5 over 4. You will got about 12.8. And the graph should be like this. And this is the graph of demand in here. Now we go to supply. find the supply when the price is 0, 10 and 20. So we have this equation in here. So I put number 0 equal to 3 over 4 Q. So Q should be about 0. That's mean about the price. Now I put number 10 in here. So we divide both sides with 3 over 4. And you got about 13.33 dollar. And the next one, that's about 20. And this one you will got about 26.67 dollar. Question V. Graph B equals to 3 over 4 Q on the same axis used for part number 3. So that's about the graph in here. And this is the graph of this one. The question number 6, find the equilibrium supply. That means we will put about two equations. This one and this one, they equal together. That should be about 16 minus 5 over 4 Q is equal to 3 over 4 Q. So we put this one on the right, and you got about A divided by 4. So A divided by 4, you got about number 2. (16) divided by 2, you got about 8. And this is about the price of equilibrium. Now let's go to find supply in here. After we got about number 8, we put number 8 go back in here. So we can find the quantity. That's about A divided to 3 over 4. And you got about 10.67 or approximate about 11. This is about $8. This is about for the units. That's the end. Thank you for watching.